just need 1 week.
Where?
Colombia and Mexico.
Mexico?
No, Pops. It's nothing like that. It's not what you think. I just believe that these 2 places is where I can get valuable information on Miss Suarez.
You do know we have to be very strategic. There can be no emotions involved in this.
Why you think emotions involved?
Because I know you better than I know all my other agents, for obvious reasons. I lost agents in the field when I just started this agency. And it was because of my emotions and letting them get the best of me. It's still difficult to deal with. But I promised your father that I would take care of you.
And so far, you're doing an excellent job.
Angie, listen, I can't physically protect you anymore. All I can do is try and make sure you come to no harm when you're in the field and train you as best as I can to survive. You're going to be my successor. And I don't want you to make the same mistakes I did.
David Mullings, you have no idea how much I have learned from you as a boss and as a daughter. The woman I am today is totally because of you.
I need you to be better than me. I can't make you make the same mistakes I did.
Pops, listen. I may not make the mistakes that you have made, but I am going to make mistakes. It's a human experience.
I think I trained you too much to be an agent and not enough in being a partner.
Well, listen, it's the agent training that I got from you that makes me the person who I am. So guess what? No man can walk over me.
I worry that you don't have a social life. I know that you must miss Ray.
No, Pops, stop. You know the one thing I've learned? That you can't fight fate. And everything happens for a reason. You have written 7 letters to the Mexican government. Anybody answer you?
No?
Maybe his association with Miranda would have brought down this agency, even if it wasn't intentional. I just work with it as it comes. What is to be, will be. In the meantime, there is work to be done. And I still have a life.
You come and live for Comsey. Not too long ago, I was reading you bedtime stories and tucking you into bed. Now look at this.
Big woman, that's you.
All right. Find out what you can about this. I don't want to be disrespectful. This female will keep me abreast of every development along the way.
You know I will. But I'm stopping in New York for 2 days.
Why?
Just to take a look on family.
Or to check on Roxy.
Yeah, that too. Because she might have some information for me.
Interesting. So tell me, when is the wedding?
She tell you?
Not yet.
I know she will. Soon.
Yeah, nice fellow. At least there's nothing untoward in his background.
You check him out already?
Duh. I check on everybody I want to get involved with. I don't want nobody bringing a spy or double agent in here.
I understand. But Pops, I'm really happy for Roxy though.
Oh, so am I. And I hope it continues. It would suit him that it did.
That sounds like a threat.
Threat? Me? I would never do that. Ask anybody. I'm just a little pussycat.
Of course you are. A pussycat that roars sometime.
You know, she spent a long time mourning her mother. And I'm so happy she has found the strength to move on.
Me too. And I'm so happy that she's happy.
Somebody should be. Angie? Angie?
Yes, Pops?
Why is Celine checking the registrar of births and deaths to find out about Tony Xpressionz's daughter?
Ten man. T, you can believe it? Jamaica play against 10 man and them can't score a goal.
A really a football game you're going so over, Kareem?
This is not just football. This is Nation League. This is come like Caribbean World Cup B.
Well, at least them never lose. Now you see them George gone.
After Cuba on a big side, 10 man. Jamaica play against T. We have the whole stadium full, you know, cock, you know, and them not do nothing but vex. Me vex.
Well, them have more match to play. So they might do better in the next match. They can't beat them up so.
B, that is not the point. If you get a side to kill, you have to kill them, especially when them there in your yard. 10 man?
Kareem, keep down your voice with this 10-man thing, cause it not sound good.